Hello everybody. Today I show you something. That's this a fondue I purchased. Been a long time. I don't remember. Probably 2012. I bought two. One for myself and one for my brother. But the end he didn't want it. I want to give to him, but he didn't want my gift. So I stuck this. I stuck it on the shelf in the garage. So today I remember it. Today I took it out to try to open for you to see it. Look what I found. Look at this one. Do you know what is this? I believe that's a bee nest or something like that. See, that have a hole here. Oh. It's just right there. It's funny. Yep. They have a model number here. It's been a long time. It's from I remember 2012. I purchased two of them that year on the Christmas or New Year, because they sold only $35. Most of the time I see it's $55, but that's the BJ's, so only $35. So that's why I got two. One for myself and one for him, but he didn't want my gift, so that's a stay there. And I forgot about it, but so now I took it out to use it. So let me open to let you see how it look like inside. Okay, look at this one. I think this is still okay. It's no problem. The guy's stuck right in here. Funny, is right? It's a rare. It's red here. You to see it, is right? Okay. Let's open inside. See how any more inside here. Let me see. Let me sit down to be ready if there's something in here so I can run. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You be my witness. What a guy. Yeah. Oh man. La 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 la. Oh, you see, and here. Oh yeah. Oh, there are a lot in here. My gosh, I need to clean my garage. Look at inside. Oh no. Look, there are a bunch of ants. Ants die in there. Oh no. Oh yeah, I need to clean my garage. Okay, let's open inside. Okay, it's still okay. It's still fine here. Look at this. Look at this. See? La 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 la. Nothing get inside here. Maybe they didn't like the they didn't like the material. because it's kind of cold. That's why they don't get inside here. Let's see. Everything's still okay. No problem. Okay, these, what they call this, I don't know. Here, they call this, number one is the fondue forks. So it's a fondue forks, and what else they have? Let me go over see. And they have the leaf. There is here number two, fondue ring. Number three is a fondue bowl. I don't know. I think the word this will read the fondue, but maybe I'm wrong. Number four is a brushed stainless steel housing. Number five, what's number five here? Number five, this one. That's her adjustable temperature control block. So that's how five stuff. Let me let you know. I have fondue ring here, and the housing here, and here the temperature control block. Okay, that's how it looks like. You want to see inside? Yeah, that's how it looks like. It's just shiny. The housing here, fondue housing, still great. It's good. It's nice, right? You can see there's enough. That's on the side. You can really like this on the side. That's how it looks. Next is temperature controller. It's I like I told you about the one I used that was in 2012. So it's 6 years already. It's great. It's nice. I didn't use as a fondue. I use as a cooker. I made soup. Use the grain here, and they have the heat. They glue together. So I cook soup. I use them to stir fry, and then you hook it inside here. So, excuse me. So, Yep. And then this one electric cord. So just hold this in the electric outlet. That's it. And let's see another stuff. I didn't use this much. I didn't use this. I just used the housing. Also, I didn't use this. My other, not this one, another. Yeah. And just put it like this. Nice, right? Yeah. What's that? Yep. That's why I'm measure everything here. Because I'm outside, so there's a lot of wind here. They cut a lot. Yeah. The booklet. Let's tell you everything about chocolate fondue, recipe, cheese fondues, oil fondues, broad fondues, and I think they have a recipe thing. The recipes: cheese fondues, meat seafood fondues, dessert fondues, sauces for fondues, and yeah, there are a lot here. The last time I didn't take a look at my catalog, my booklet. Lucky I show you today, so I can see. I can add for one thing for them. They can make soup with this one too. They can make stir fry. I did a lot. Right now it's 30 something, I think so. So that's great when you carry around the house. You can cook on the countertop, you can cook outside, as long as you can have the electric outlet to get the electric. So that's the fondues. The Cuisinart fondues. So what else you can see here? Here you can see here the size. They have non-stick convention limit 3 years warranty. From appetizer to dessert, class look, contemporary function, brushed stainless. So here the picture. Easy to clean. Yep. Yeah. The fondues that you can use is a dishwasher itself. Easy fondues and simple clean up. What else? This is a 3-quart capacity. story last time. The information in the back here for household use only. Warranties exclude accidental or consequential damages. This one usually, I don't know. Some states do not allow the exclusion or limitation of these damages, so they may not apply to you. So that's, I don't know. I have never heard that before. So that's my first time I see that. So that's a main change. Okay, but this work, okay, it's great, not bad. Okay, that's new fondues. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.